Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see the requests sent on Instagram as well as all the information related to followers. We will start by entering the Instagram application. Then we will click on the upper drop-down menu and then click on the Your Activity option. Here we will scroll to the bottom to find the option, Download Your Information, and click on it. In the next window, click on the Request Download option. Now we can choose if we want a complete copy of our Instagram account or prefer to select specific information. In this case, we are going to select types of information. In the list, we will select the option Followers and Following. Click on Next to continue. In this last window, we will see a summary of our download request. We start the process by clicking on Submit Request. After this, the process that will create a copy of your information will begin. The creation time will depend on the size of the information you have requested. You will receive an email notifying you that the file is ready. Once the download is ready, you will see the download option available and click on it. We will download a compressed file that we will open with a manager that we have on our phone. Once inside, click on the Followers and Following folder. To specifically see the requests sent, we will click on the file Pending Following Requests, and we will see the requests that we have pending to be accepted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.